Patrick. We're over here at Marco Equipment Company. I'm the sales rep here in Pomona, California. Today I want to show you guys our Mini HD 29 cylindrical. This machine is one of our most popular best sellers equipment that we currently have in stock. This is a 23-gallon solution tank, and it's a 23-gallon recovery tank. It's also equipped with a 24-volt battery system, so it's going to give you guys a run time of 3.5 hours up to 4 hours. A couple features about this machine is you have a cylindrical brush, 29-inch, so you're not just scrubbing the floors, but you're actually doing a little bit of light sweeping as well at the same time. When you're doing a little bit of light sweeping, the big piles of debris, pallet chips, or whatever it is, gets put into this little tray hopper, which is very easy to remove and also rinse out, and very easy to put back in as well. Another feature is we have a top lid. As you can see, it's a transparent lid. A lot of people ask, why is that? Well, Factory Cat came out with this invention where it gives the operator a view, exactly see what's going on inside the recovery tank. And it's also very easy to open, very easy to drain, very easy to rinse out and keep sanitized. Another features about this, you have a drain saver basket. So you're not only picking up debris from your tray hopper in the bottom, but you're also picking it up in this drain saver basket, which is going to prevent any clog issues or anything from the recovery tank while you're draining.